guys, welcome to today's video. I actually do not remember what day we are on for Beautymas here on my YouTube channel. I'm going to actually look it up right now because I have no idea. We are on day 7 here for the Beautymas series here on my YouTube channel. So for today's makeup look, I'm going to do kind of like what I would wear during the winter for an everyday makeup look. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. Take my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup. This is Soft Ivory. I'm going to pour a little bit of this on my Jafra Beauty blender. Now I'm just going to press the foundation into my skin with Beauty Blender. Now we're only mostly going to use creams for the complexion, so I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm only going to apply this under the eye. And then we're going to take my JCat Masterclass Face Palette. We're going to take this shade, and we're going to apply this to any blemishes. Okay, now I'm going to take a brush like this from QC Makeup Academy. I'm just going to blend in the concealer. Okay, now we're going to go into probably my favorite thing to use for blush. This is the Maybelline Cheek Heat Sheer Gel Cream Blush in Nude Burn. So I'm going to place this first on the cheek. A little crazy right now. But I almost want to create, not really, but try to create a little bit of a kind of like a frostbitey look. I like to kind of go in with my beauty blender just to blend it a little bit better. Then I'm going to go on my nose, just kind of like right in here. And this is where I actually use my beauty blender to blend it, because it's a little tricky to blend it with my finger on my nose because I don't want to get it too dark of a color. Then I'm going to go on the forehead, kind of like right in this area. And bring it down a little. Now that that is done, I'm going to take, actually I can do this first. So I'm going to take my Jafra Creams highlight stick in the color Bubbly. And I'm actually going to take my finger and I'm going to place this in like a halo shape. So I'm going to go right here, here, I'm also going to place this in the corner of the eyes. Above the arch of the brow. And right on the brow bone, smaller brush, like right underneath where we applied the highlight above the brow. Okay, then what I like to do is I like to take my beauty blender and just kind of pat that in. And then we can start setting everything. So I'm going to take my Maybelline Super Stay Coverage Foundation in Classic Ivory. I'm going to take my, this is from the Morphe brush set, face brush set. So I'm going to first use this to set the T-zone. And with a bigger brush, it's basically the same brush but bigger. Use the same powder foundation, and we're going to set the sides of the face. Okay, now we're going to go into the eyes. Now I wanted this to be kind of simple, since this is an everyday winter look. I'm going to take my Flower Beauty Petal Play eyeshadow quad in Gilded Lily. First shade that we're going to take is Fawn, which is this one, and we are going to apply this to the crease. Okay, now that that is placed, I'm going to go into a different eyeshadow palette. We're going to use the Anastasia Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. And we're going to take Burnt Orange. Just apply that kind of right below where we applied Fawn. Just to kind of deepen up the crease just a little bit. Now I'm going to take my, okay, I'm going to take my Morphe M453 brush and just blend the shadows. Pretty much it for the eyeshadows. I'm going to go into mascara. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Legit Lash mascara. Right back. For a lip liner, I'm going to use the Jafra Luxury lip liner in Diana. And on top of that, I'm going to use the Jafra Luxury lipstick in beige chiffon.